All right, so we got a 2014, the last box here that we're going to do tonight of Black Gold. But there is one more break up there for you guys to jump into. And that will be all she wrote for tonight. But good to have everybody here hanging out here late night. JP playing a big part tonight. Kind of new on the site. I like it. He's ready to go. You're due, brother. But good to have everybody here. Good to see JC Barfly, SP, Captain, Zeeks, October Sky, Big Dog, Hot Sauce Daddy, Keeks, 8-Man running around here late night, Tav. We got DeFellas, Buffalo Bill. I like it. We got the crew up in this joint. Oh, it's already gone. Don't have to do much selling at that price, right? All right. Gonzo. All right. That took a whole like 12 seconds. So here's Black Gold. Let's get it. We're due for something nice out of here too, so. Dude, let's get some hits. You had all kinds of hits out of it. You hit a Teddy, you hit, I forget what else you hit. You hit something else. You're getting all kinds of stuff. All right. Here's Andre Johnson, 64 to 189. Mike D's ready. You guys might be ready for another one. So what you're saying is there's a chance you guys want to do another one. All right. 105 out of 149. That's Marquise Lee and Cecil Shorts going to Jacksonville. So October Sky. You're all up in it too. And then I'll take it all day. Mikey Evans, 145 out of 199. Going to 8-Man with Tampa Bay. Mikey Evans, 145 out of 199. I'll take out Mike Evans, true rookie all day. All right, then 24 out of 25, Jason Verrett going to San Diego. Zeeks. So the team symbols, 24 to 25. Next pack. You got Matty Ice, 24 out of 149. Going to Hot Atlanta, Captain McCracken. $24 to 149. Trey Mason, 156 out of 199. Going to St. Louis. Keegs. There you go, bub. Then Jadeveon Clowney, 246 out of 299, going to Houston. Stokey. So quad jersey. Then you got a Jordan Matthews, 54 out of 99, going to Philadelphia. Where's Philly at? Hot Sauce Daddy, you're in. Then you got Terrence West, 13 out of 149. Captain, did you get a confirmation? 13 out of 149. Terrence West going to Cleveland. DeFellas. So nice, Mikey Evans out of there, but I'm telling you, it's only a matter of time before something weird comes out of there.